I am Dr. Rashmi Chowdhury, Principal, Podar International School, CIE Nehru. I would like to talk about my school, from where we have started and how this journey is going towards achieving the goals which we set in the beginning of the launching of this Podar Nehru, CIE Nehru. Actually, if I talk about the foundation of the Podar group, that happened in 1827, and the first trustee of the Podar group was Mahatma Gandhi. You can understand by that, if Mahatma Gandhi was the first trustee, so the moral and ethical values of Podar groups are very high. We see the holistic development in our children. We thrive for it and try to achieve it. Our school has a strong vision and mission. The vision says that we are preparing our children, those are competing at the world stage. We want children, they should achieve the heights where they can proudly say that yes, we are Podarites. Now, if I talk about the technology and pedagogy, which is generally people are asking when they come for the admission, parents keep asking what is the difference between CIE and other boards. So I should give the information about what is CIE board. CIE is Cambridge International Examinations, which is affiliated to Cambridge University. It gives lot of flexibility to the institution to implement the technology which is required for your country at your level. If I compare my school, Podar Nehru CIE, with other boards school, this is at literally high level because we are not doing rote learning programs, rather we do such kind of studies where children are becoming analyzer and thinker. Children are getting the knowledge of each concept with the method of Bloom taxonomy and the multiple intelligence. If you know about multiple intelligence technology or process, it was given by Howard Gardner, who says that any human being can have 8 kinds of multiple intelligence, where we are accommodating maybe more than 5 intelligence in our teaching pattern, in our teaching technology. And the Bloom taxonomy is also being used. Though we are not IB school, but still we implement integrated studies in our technology. Our teachers are teaching one subject, for example, science. If I take one simple example of science, where the teacher has to make children understand that how the egg giving out or the chick is coming out of the egg. If 4 to 5 eggs are there lying on the table, and the science teacher is telling the hatching process, she will keep these eggs under the cover so that they remain warm, and maybe after 1 or 2 days chicks will come out. Now if you want to do certain other concepts of other subjects also with this science, she can ask the number of eggs. She can ask the addition, subtraction, so this is math. Then she can ask about she can talk about the business with the egg. How can you use eggs in your business? Okay, how can you do business on eggs? And the economy, how it is economical. So she is covering the aspect of economics and the business with the science. Math, science, business studies and economics, all are possible with one concept. these kind of studies we are doing in CIE. Now, if I talk about the project-based learning, we always give guided projects to children. We never ask children to do the project from home. Actually, previously we saw that if we give any project to do from home, what children do? They ask their parents to gather the information from the internet, and they just collect the information and they just put on one sheet of paper and bring to show to the teacher. But this is not our idea. Our idea is that they should understand, they should themselves do the research work. So in that way, teacher is guiding, and sometimes teacher asks them to bring the material to his classroom and they just do the project work in the classroom itself in front of the teacher. If they are not able to do, then teacher again help them to do the project work, complete the project work. Then they are very happy, and moreover I should say that if by chance any child is not able to complete this, still we encourage the child, because this is the learning process. In this way we are encouraging children more and more so that they can improve in their skills. Now if I talk about since we are implementing differentiation techniques and plenary methods also, so I should be giving a little idea about differentiation techniques. You can understand that there are different kinds of children in one classroom. Some are very intelligent, they are above average, some are average, some are below average, they are poor in studies. You are very much understanding that those children who are having lack knowledge about the concepts, about that subject, then they are not having that kind of confidence to give the answers of any teacher in the classroom. Now, if we want to involve all children together in the classroom, we have to have certain methods by which we can involve all the children. They are the differentiation techniques we apply, in which we play certain games, we do certain activities with children, where children have to involve themselves. In this way, all children are taking part in either that kind of activity or the assessment or the process of learning. I can give you a simple example. If we are playing beach ball game in the classroom, the teacher who has already taught that topic or concept in the classroom, at the end of the period she would do plenary. This is a small assessment method. Plenary is what? A small assessment method, whether the teacher could teach or adhere to the concept and the children could understand or grasp that concept well. To assess that, the teacher would play beach ball game. In this, she will throw the ball to any child. That child will have to answer the teacher's question. Now, teacher can play a trick here. To the below average child, she can ask a very simple question. If she asks a simple question, the child is confident because the simple question can be answered by this child, because at least he knows that the answer of this simple question. So in this way, we are boosting the morale of the child, and the teacher can ask this child to post a question on shoot any question to other child. This child will ask. Now this child is confident enough because he has got the chance to question any other child. In this way, we boost the morale, the confidence of each and every child of the classroom, so they can bring the improvement in themselves. They can get the confidence that inferiority level will diminish, and they will understand the concept well. Now I should talk about admission process also. Since we are from Podarpur, First of all, I should tell that Koda believes in right to education. Right to education means each and every child has the right to education, whether they are coming from any strata of their life. If I do screening, as I am seeing most of the schools do screening and filtration of children at the time of admission by keeping the written exam, entrance exam, I want to ask this question to the school admin people that why they are doing this filtration. Why not each and every child, whoever is coming, you should give a chance. They should be educated in good schools. If they are asking you to give the admission, we are ready to give. You should be ready to give the admission then and there. You should interact with the child. I even don't use the word interview, because who are we to take the interview of the child? The child has the right to education. That is why we don't do any kind of written exam. We just interact with the child. We ask rather the views of the child. What does he think about the education? Which subjects he likes, which subjects he doesn't like. So such kind of talks we do with the child, and if we see the child is really under average, then we definitely try to bring the improvement in that child's life and in his studies. So these are our values which we promise and which we assure we will keep in future also. Thank you so much.